If you're a maker, this story is for you. Artists and vendors who make products like this are frustrated about late or missing payments from a Colchester business selling their creations. NBC Connecticut's Jeremy Chen shares their concerns tonight and what the business is saying about it.
For Christy Hughes, being able to create beautiful art is a passion for her.
I do crystals and resin takes 24 hours to cure, so each piece is, days of work.
Her business, Purple Goddess Crystals and Gifts in Hebron, had been selling pieces at Gifts on the Green in Colchester, where she rented shelf space for a few months.
It was my first experience selling my work at another location beyond my own website and Instagram and farmers markets.
Hughes says she was supposed to get paid bi-monthly based on the sales of her art pieces while paying rent for the shelf space, but it hit a snag, saying she received a late payment due to Gifts on the Green saying there was a banking glitch. The business acknowledged the issue in an email newsletter to artists and vendors back in January. It also laid out the upcoming payment schedule with the next payment this year in January. Emails show Hughes asking the business in February about a missing January payment, with a worker responding that it would arrive by mid-March. She says she's still waiting for that money.
This money that we artists rely on is needed, especially in this economy.
The business sent a statement saying, in part, we take our commitments to artists and vendors very seriously and maintain clear documentation of our business practices. While it says it could not publicly discuss private business relationships, Gifts on the Green said artists and vendors are, quote, compensated fairly and respectfully. In addition to emailing us a statement, the business has also been responding to artists online. Another artist, Mary Lou Morissette, who verified to NBC Connecticut she sold candles at Gifts on the Green, left a Google review this month, frustrated about her missing payment. The business, verified on Google, responded to her saying it was a delay caused by their accounting system. Morissette says she got her payment yesterday in the mail. So what recourse do artists have if they're in dispute about payments? Attorney Jim Bergen with Shipman & Goodwin says artists and vendors should read contracts closely and keep good records.
Document everything. Don't throw anything out.
He says while going to court for payment disputes may not be cost effective, Bergen says the Hartford Bar Association offers lawyer referrals to help answer any legal questions that may arise.
Lawyers will give you a half an hour for I think it's $50.
Hughes says she has kept documentation herself and has already pulled her art from the store. She hopes this can be resolved by getting her missing payment.
We've been very patient, and I'm just kind of looking for answers, communication, and money.
In Colchester, Jeremy Chen, NBC Connecticut News.